Good morning, everyone. This is me again, your gold digger Filipina living in America. Char. So for today's video, na-invite kami ng aming co-work na pupunta sa bahay nila to harvest their persimmon kasi ang dami daw nilang persimmon at wala nang kumakain. Kaya ayan, we're here to harvest it. Ang sarap niya, nagdala siya one time sa work, tapos konti lang yung dala niya. Nagugustuhan naming lahat, kaya yun, sabi niya, if you want more, we can go to her house and harvest it ourselves. And I'm very excited to do this with other Filipina that I work with.
Show me how to eat it. Oh my God.
Some of them you just do like that.
Good. Good. Good, oh, baby, good. Yeah. I want this one. There's a baby here.
Yeah, just that mother just
Oh my God, there's 2 eggs.
Oh,
Yeah, oh my God, the bird nest. There's 2 eggs. You can cook the egg, you know. I'm walking back. Dilme will gonna drive me. What's it, girl? I don't know. What is the name of this? Persimmon. I'm eating, but I don't know the name.
Simon.
It tastes like ano. Oh, it tastes like ano ganito yung kay Mito. Good. It's persimmon, different variety. Tastes really good. Tastes like star apple in the Philippines, like star apple. Star apple talaga siya.
Masarap pag inog.
Yeah.
Pag ano,
So yeah, so I can still.
yeah, Mother Earth.
You can still plant this one, but just wait when it's ripe. You know, it's still good.
Yeah, I have one, but it's just a small tree. Eat more. She said eat more, so they don't have to bring it home.
Hoy, I will bring home. I still no work tomorrow. I want to eat tomorrow.
It's a very high. You want back?
I know where is your
Yeah,
house
we need
now.
a bag.
Yeah, we need bags
Bring back.
because we know you have here.
This one you just leave it this and get out, you know, like a more orange.
Is this the same?
Yeah.
This one doesn't taste good
More
too when it's
orange.
not ripe.
Yeah, the one.
No, that's the one that it will not.
I do not like it.
Look at that. There's a lot of
There's a lot out
It's
there.
very high.
You can bawog-bawog sa nga ba? Bawog-bawog sa nga so that you can reach.
I nice more yang ay.
Oo. Pag ano, dito na unahin sa konta.
Mm. There's one more
You
here.
don't have shopping bag?
You can sell me one. Sell me one. I will. But you need to kill it first. I wanna cook it, but I can't kill it because I'm scared. I don't wanna kill it. I feel like.
And a lot of chicken.
Can you do that? Can you do it? I will buy one, but you kill it first.
Ah, this.
Oh my God, the mancha.
Come see the other one.
Okay. I'm eating. It's free. Oh my God, you have a lot. Is it pomelo? A lot. A lot of bunga, but it's not ripe yet. When it, what is that?
It's a rooster. It's a rooster.
When it's ripe, na can you bring our work?
I know, like,
Mm-mm.
What's this then?
Orange. You have a lot of chicken. Oh my God. I want one chicken and I will be, ate, tinibuok ba nga manok? Right? I want chicken. Chicken soup. Native chicken soup. I like monkey now. She is teaching us to eat the grass.
yeah.
What do you call it? It's not monkey, it's goat. It's manghang.
There's a aftertaste.
It's spicy.
Honey.
You are eating it like it's good, but
Is it more spicy because we eat the sweet first?
it's in my tongue now. I thought it's really good. They're eating it like really good.
We need to eat the persimmon again.
Baklag.
You wanna go to your window?
What's over there? She need to get another food. You're Filipina? Say oo. Say oo.
Oo.
doing a survey to her mansion. Oh my god, it's really bad in my tongue. Where I can find something sweet. I want something sweet to cover the spicy. Oh my god, you have a lot here. Is this good one or the bad one? Is this the good one? Let me have something to eat because my tongue is really bad. Where's the overripe? I want the ripe one. Oh my god, the animal already ate it. The animal. It's under here. Need to eat something a little sweet, we.
This is spicy.
Yeah. My tongue is spicy. It's sweet. It's like tastes like papaya.
Jeremy, you still because put some out in there.
Look, nasa tubo. Sugar cane. It's over there. Kinain na yan ng something. She have a lot here of fruits. I want to harvest.
What are you all doing?
Harvesting the hilaw-hilaw.
You don't have scissors?
Where's the one picking?
I'm eating.
We're just for free. We're just going to eat. The budget to come here is $1 a pound. For us, it's free. Because we're the one promoting it.
We're advertising it. Thank you.
Dali na, ano ka? I thought, don't sell it with it, girl.
Oh, sorry. Oh my God.
I don't know that she has it at the camera.
She said don't salip on it, girl.
I'm sorry na for salupuin your. Don't sell it with girl.
You have to, that way you have to trim it. That way, you know, they will,
Oh, I have cutter. It needs to be right too.
no, the more
This one
orange.
is crunchy. Good and crunchy.
I want it crunchy.
Best, it's $1 a pound if you can come.
$2 a pound.
It's $1. The owner said it's $2 a pound.
You know, the other,
Some annual fee. I have the freebie. I got 5.
5?
Yeah. I still have my number. How many you got?
I have 6.
6 and first 3.
I'm looking the beautiful orange. This one is baby. Some of them is 6.
I'm eating it already.
$2 a pound. When you eat it, it's good. You have to.
You're gonna wait.
You don't.
Come and you're eating, you're gonna wait first.
I am 60 pounds, okay? Seen another bird nest. Let's see if there's an egg. It's over there. There's no egg anymore. They are still harvesting it. Wait. Me too, I have a lot. Tama na yan, bibe. Dito na punta sa pikas.
This is huge.
Yeah. You like huge? Char!
Let's go to the other side. I'm the host of this thing. It's huge.
And ayan, thank you so much for watching sa pagsama sa amin sa aming journey today. At ayan, patapos na nga kaming nag-harvest at kumakain na lang din kami. Ang sarap niya, meron siyang 2 kind of persimmon, I mean the variety. Merong isang persimmon na pwede mo siyang kainin kahit hindi pa siya masyadong ripe kasi matamis na siya. At meron ding isang persimmon na kailangan mo talagang hintayin na maging overripe siya bago mo siya pwedeng kainin kasi mapait siya pag hindi siya masyadong hinog. So, ayan, bet na bet ko din naman yung yung persimmon na kailangan talagang hintayin mag-ihinog kasi lasang kay Mito talaga siya or yung star apple sa Philippines. Sobrang sarap niya. Yun nga lang, hindi mo siya pwedeng kainin pag hindi siya masyadong hinog. While ang isang kind of persimmon, pwede mo siyang kainin na crunchy pa siya kasi matamis na siya. At yun din yung gusto ko talaga dahil mahilig ako sa crunchy. So, ayan, meron din silang mga alagang baka at baboy dito at may mga manok. Ayan ang may-ari.